Hello and welcome to a demonstration of the IDWedgeBT working with an Android device. The IDWedgeBT is an automated form filler that will scan 2D barcodes and magnetic stripes and send that data over Bluetooth to your forms and automatically fill out the information into those forms so you don't have to worry about typing that information in. In this demonstration, we've downloaded and installed an app called Handbase. In Handbase, you can make your own form and store it into a database and then send that information by email or however you want to send that. On our website we have a sample database called the marketing list, and with the marketing list we've created a form that you can use right off the bat to scan IDs and get the information off the ID. So we're just going to open up the marketing list database. We'll see that there have been a few entries already made. To make a new entry, we just click on the plus icon in the bottom left. Now, of course, we need to start up the IDWedgeBT, but we can go ahead and look at the form. You can see we have a first name, last name, middle name, date of birth, and address fields. It will automatically populate all those fields based on the ID that is scanned. You can also type in other data you might want to collect and save based on the customers that you're meeting. So to begin scanning an ID, we know that the IDWedgeBT is ready when this blue light is blinking, meaning that it has a successful Bluetooth connection. All we need to do is place the cursor in the first field, the first name field, and we are ready to scan and collect the information. When you hear that beep, that means it's a successful scan, and you can see the information it was automatically typed in. If we just want to move on right to the next customer, it's very easy. You just click on the plus icon here. It clears the form, saves that form, and now it's ready for a new form. You just place the cursor in the first field, dip the next ID, and it fills in the information. It's very quick, it's very efficient. There's no really room for errors. When you're typing on a small keyboard, you're always going to have errors. This resolves that issue. Again, click on and get the new form ready. It's, again, very quick. Even if you make mistakes, you save a ton of time. And just the next form, put the cursor there. Now if you don't have a successful scan, it's very quick also. Just scan again and it will automatically fill in the fields. Now this form application, you're also able to have lists. You can select items from lists and it'll all be saved, and you can send that to yourself by email or Google Drive, wherever you want to save that database and that information. That way it's easy to transmit and it's not going to be lost. If you have any questions, you can visit IDScanner.com or IDScanner.us or email us. Thank you for listening.